On this plate.
This is the iCoffee Opus. And I'm not going to show you how to make a cup of coffee because I'm going to assume you know how to do that. It's pretty simple. But I did want you to see what the Opus looks like when it's brewing your coffee. As you can see, it illuminates blue over by the water reservoir where your cup is and the coffee is pouring. And you can see it's got a really nice bright display. Just underneath that is the power button. Under that is an energy saver button. And to the right of those two is the dial and brew button. One of the cool features of this iCoffee brewer is that the drip display has a magnet on the bottom. So it sits nice and still, doesn't slide out from underneath. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.